Have you ever wondered how artists like Vermeer, Monet, and Sargent created such stunning color palettes? What if I told you that you could recreate their colors using just 3 primary colors? In today's video, we are going to break down the color palettes of 6 famous paintings using a limited palette of 3 primaries per painting, mixing everything from deep blues to glowing skin tones, soft pastels to earthy shadows. At the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of warm versus cool primaries and how to mix stunning colors without needing dozens of tubes of paint. And if you want to dive even deeper, don't forget to grab my free color mixing guide, link in the description. Let's get started. Girl with Pearl Earring. Vermeer's masterpiece is all about rich contrasts, deep blue, glowing skin, and warm golden highlights. Let's break it down using just 3 primary colors: cadmium red light, cobalt blue, and cadmium lemon. I will start with cadmium red light and mix it just a touch of cobalt blue to create slightly cooler, muted red that gives a natural look to the lips. For the iconic blue headscarf, I will use cobalt blue, the deepest areas, and adjust it slightly where needed. For the warm skin tones, I will mix cadmium lemon with cadmium red light to create a soft, peachy base. Then I will add just a touch of cobalt blue to tone it down for natural skin shadows. To mix the subtle greenish hues seen in the painting, I will blend cadmium lemon with cobalt blue, adjusting the ratio for different intensities of green. With just these 3 colors, we can capture the luminous quality of Vermeer's masterpiece. Wheat Stacks, Snow Effect, Morning, Monet. Monet's wheat stacks glow with warm morning light, contrasted by cool winter shadows. Using just 3 primary colors, cadmium red light, cobalt blue, and cadmium lemon, let's recreate the color harmony in this masterpiece. For the middle tone areas of the wheat stacks, I will start by mixing cobalt blue with just a touch of cadmium red light to create a muted, earthy tone for the middle section of the wheat stacks where light and shadow meet. For the sunlit parts of the wheat stacks, I will mix cadmium red light with a small amount of cobalt blue to create a slightly cooler reddish brown tone. For the shadowed areas of the wheat stack, to deepen the shadows, I will add more cobalt blue into the mix, creating a cool, soft contrast to the warm tones in the painting. Monet's painting captures the golden light of sunrise. To recreate this warmth, I will mix cadmium lemon with some of the existing colors on my palette, softening the edges where the light meets the snow. With just 3 primaries, we can recreate Monet's incredible color shifts and capture the magic of light in this scene. Woman with Parasol, Monet. This painting is all about soft greens, airy blues, and warm highlights that bring a summer day to life. Using just 3 primaries, carmine, ultramarine, and cadmium lemon, let's mix the colors to bring Monet's masterpiece to life. First, I will use a tissue to clean my palette. Make sure I have a fresh space to mix my colors. Then I will start by applying ultramarine onto the palette, then gradually mix the cadmium lemon. This creates a rich natural green that I can adjust by adding more blue for depth or more yellow for the vibrancy. For the soft flowing dress, I will mix carmine with ultramarine, adjusting the ratio to create a cooler purple for the shadows and a warmer pink for the highlights. With just 3 colors, we can recreate the soft impressionist feel of Monet's brush work and color harmony. The Milkmaid, Vermeer. Vermeer's The Milkmaid is known for its rich, vibrant colors and stunning contrast between warm and cool tones. Using just 3 primary colors, ultramarine, carmine, and cadmium lemon, let's mix our palette to match the depth and warmth of this masterpiece. First, I will prepare ultramarine on my palette, mixing it with carmine to create a deep purple tone, while adding cadmium lemon shifts it towards an earthy orange. Let's apply these mixes to test it out. To capture the warm terracotta hue of the milk jar, I will mix the carmine with cadmium lemon, adjusting ratio for rich warm red-orange tone. For the deep blue fabric apron, I will use ultramarine straight from the palette for its natural intensity. For the striking yellow tones, I will mix cadmium lemon with just a touch of ultramarine to create a lively yet natural golden hue. By using just 3 primaries, we can recreate Vermeer's stunning balance of warm and cool tones. Carnation, Lily, Lily Rose, Sargent. Sargent's masterpiece is filled with soft floral hues, warm glowing tones, and fresh greens. Using just 3 primary colors, carmine, cadmium lemon, and ultramarine, let's mix our palette and bring these beautiful colors to life. First, I will take some carmine on my palette. Then I will apply cadmium lemon right next to it. Next, I will mix ultramarine with carmine to create a rich deep purple tone, great for adding depth to the flowers and shadows. Finally, I will mix ultramarine with cadmium lemon to create fresh green. Adjusting the ratio will give us different shadows from warm yellow greens to the cool blue greens. Now let's test these colors on paper and see how they interact. By limiting our palette, we can still achieve the luminous, glowing effect that Sargent captured in this painting. our fox family, Bruno. Bruno was a master of painting wildlife in their natural habitat, and in this piece we see warm golden hues, vibrant greens, and the rich orange of the fox fur. Using just cadmium lemon, ultramarine, and cadmium red light, let's mix our colors to match the tone in this painting. First, I apply cadmium lemon on my palette, then I will mix in ultramarine to create a natural green. By adjusting ratio, I can get either a bright fresh green or a deeper, more muted green for the background foliage. Next, I will mix cadmium lemon with cadmium red light. This gives a warm orange-yellow, perfect for painting the golden light reflecting on the fox fur. To deepen the orange, I will add a touch more cadmium red light. For the cooler shadow areas, I can mix in a bit of ultramarine to desaturate the color. Now let's test these colors on the paper and see how they blend together. By limiting our palette, we can still achieve the rich, vibrant tones of nature, just like Bruno did. By studying these paintings and limiting yourself to just 3 primaries, you will quickly improve your ability to mix any color you need. If you want to practice even more, download my free color mixing guide to learn how to mix beautiful colors, avoid muddy results, and confidently paint your own masterpiece. Click the link in the description to grab your free guide today. Which famous painting do you want to study next? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a watercolor tutorial. Happy painting!